This video is all about curry stew wings. I am using chicken wings that I cut the joint between the jummet and the flat, and then I cut off the tips and throw them away. Then I wash the chicken wings with lime water, rinse and pat dry. And now I am seasoning the wings with various spices. Look in the description box for the name of the spices and the amount. So I am also putting 1 tablespoon of Indian curry on the wings, and then use my hands to distribute the curry all over the meat. I added 1 teaspoon of food browning. For fresh herbs, I use onion, add pepper, ginger, and garlic. So I pour about a teaspoon of vegetable oil into a pot and low heat. So after the oil become hot, then I pour about a teaspoon of curry powder into the oil, allowing the curry powder to cook in the oil for about a couple seconds. Then I added some water to the curry and allow the curry to cook into the water, and this will make a beautiful sauce. So now I am adding the chicken wings to the pot, stir, and then cover and cook without adding water. Pour enough water to cover the chicken wings, and then cook the chicken wings on high heat. Pour enough water to cover the chicken wings, and then cook the chicken wings until tender on high heat.